So today we're going to be talking more about the claims information tab, and you can use the claims information tab from the patient's window to be able to fill out information for the insurance claims form. So usually whatever information that we add over here is going to be reflecting on the CMS 1500. To start with the symptom section, over here you can go ahead and choose the type of the symptom from the drop-down menu, and then you can enter the date of the last symptom, as well as if there were any similar symptoms. We can go ahead and tick this box in order for us to be able to add a date for the similar symptom. For the status or death section, over here you can go ahead and choose from the drop-down menu the status of the patient. And then if you use deceased, you can go ahead and add the date of death. For the lapse, if you do lap charges, you can go ahead and tick this box and then an amount can be added. You can go ahead and choose the employment status from the drop-down menu. Same thing for the student status. Signature on file. You can go ahead and click this option to indicate if the patient's signature is on file and whether he or she is going to be assigned payments to the practice or the provider. When you check this box, the words signature on file is actually added on the claims form for the insurance on box 13. For the patient's signature source, you can click this option if the source of the patient's signature is on file. And release of information authorized, you only check this box to signify that the release of the patient's information has been authorized, and it does reflect on the CMS 1500 on box 12. Once you click on this, you can go ahead and add a date for the signature on file for releasing information. Two buttons over here, one of them is more information and the other one is CHAMP's information button. For more information, these are going to be more details on the patient's insurance form. We can add later on for the information. And for the CHAMP's information button, we can select this one in order for us to be able to add military claim information for the patient.
Don't compromise. Go microwise.